London's most famous palace balcony is set to get a 21st century makeover thanks to Sapphire and its latest balcony advancement, GAGS, or Generation 2 Advanced Graphics System, an ingenious graphic screen that allows every balcony to be truly unique. Developed by Sapphire's chief designer April Asinas, GAGS is the next step in the development of our cab's design technology. It allows a super high 16K definition screen to be installed onto either new or existing balconies to dramatically change the aesthetic by displaying high-resolution graphics. Images can be changed quickly and easily using Sapphire's simple Cabs app. Simply upload your image or choose one of the pre-loaded options, follow the on-screen instructions, and the look and feel of your balcony could be changed in under a minute. Balcony decking can also get a similar makeover, with the introduction of a specialist HD coating that allows the appearance of the decking to be personalised. The Palace's new GAGS makeover is expected to be ready in plenty of time for the next public appearance, where we might see an update to the red velvet swag traditionally used at such events. Sapphire, making possibilities out of fantasy.